Now I want to touch on a few other things that we're excited about in version 8. Foxtrot 1 has a brand new technology that we call Application Intelligence Technology. Now what is this? What is this Foxtrot AI technology that we're sticking in here? Well, it's very simple. We've taught Foxtrot how to deal with specific targets. And the very first one that we've chosen to work with is the ITI Premier and ITI Navigator applications. These are banking applications that we see very frequently, and for many of you who have used the Premier and Navigator systems, you know that they're full of special little text boxes that you need to click into, tab out of, and do a lot of manual steps to get to work just right. Well, we've taught Foxtrot how to identify when those scenarios are encountered, and Foxtrot automatically handles those. It's very, very exciting because you no longer have to write 4 actions to deal with a single field. Now you just simply create a send data and we do all the heavy lifting. This is the framework that we've laid for the future that allows us to add target specific technology into our application. So for those of you who use Premier Navigator, please upgrade. You will appreciate all this helpful technology that's in here. In version 8, Foxtrot 1 is able to talk to you. We have a new speak action that can literally read information off of the screen, read information out of your database, out of your variables, and say something to you in an audible voice. That's useful when you want a verbal notification. It's just one more way for Foxtrot to communicate with you, alongside of the email action and the play sound action and the various other ways that it can notify you of things. We've also improved the mouse recorder. For those of you who have used the mouse recorder, you know that Foxtrot is capable of recording a series of sequential mouse clicks, and that's helpful when you want to deal with right-click menus that pop up or various different types of multiple mouse click sequences. We've expanded the mouse recorder to identify and work with a wider range of targets. We had a request to support Excel macro files, and that's simply an Excel workbook that contains macros. The file extension for that is XLSM, and Foxtrot now has the ability of reading data from those files. Drag and drop projects is a pretty neat thing. All that means is you can grab an FSP project file that you've authored in Foxtrot, drag it directly into the Foxtrot window, and that script will open. It's not a huge thing, but it's just one of those little convenience things that makes life a little bit nicer.